This is the best dash cameras of 2023. There's been new releases from Viofo, new releases from Thinkware, and guess what? We're going to show you what our top picks are for 2023. Some people might say they're controversial, but really at the end of the day, these are units that we install on a frequent basis, that we get to test on a frequent basis, and we get customer feedback all the time on what's wrong with the product, what isn't wrong with the product, and if it's working great. So let's go. Best parking mode dash camera. We chose the Thinkware U3000 because it has 4 different parking mode options. You can select between radar, motion, time lapse, and energy saving mode. This gives you lots of flexibility depending on what environment you're in. If you're worried about lots of movement happening and maybe some vandalism, you may want to pair it up with a battery pack and hook it up with motion detection. If you're only worried about impacts while parked, you can just put it in energy saving mode, which will draw 10 milliamps of current, which is next to nothing. And basically 1 second after impact, it will start recording. This makes it one of the best parking mode dash cameras available on the market. It also has dual band Wi-Fi, which allows you to download videos 3 to 4 times quicker than a standard 2 gigahertz Wi-Fi dash camera. And it has a 4K front and a 2K rear camera. If you want to see our full review on the Thinkware U3000, click right here and you can watch our full video explaining all the ins and outs of this dash camera. Best 4K dash camera. We chose the Viofo A139 Pro. It's been out for about 11 months now, and it has had lots of firmware updates to further dial in the video quality of this particular unit. Sporting the Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, what really amazed me when this product first came out was how it actually picked up license plates even at night in a lot of low light conditions. Now, obviously during the day, it does a great job of picking up license plates as well. We've also done the tunnel test with it, and it corrects video quality very quickly to various lighting conditions, which the high dynamic range really wows me, making this still our top 4K dashcam pick. Now, don't kid yourself. The Viofo A229 Pro did recently come out. It's been out for about a month, but keep in mind, with firmware updates, I have a feeling the A229 Pro will surpass the A139 Pro. However, I feel that the high dynamic range and those low light conditions need to be refined in a little bit with some of the firmware updates so that we can see how great that new product is going to be. Now, the other big thing that this unit does have is 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which allows you to download videos 3 to 4 times quicker than a 2 gigahertz dash camera. And the last but not least, it has very small cables that you can run from the front to the back, which makes it a little bit easier for installation, especially for do-it-yourselfers. If you want to see our full review on the Viofo A139 Pro, click here, and you'll get even more details on this dash camera. Best 2K dash camera. We chose the Viofo A119 Mini 2 for a couple different reasons. One, they're using the Sony Starvis 2 image sensor. This actually works very well for picking up license plates, working in low light conditions, and it has high dynamic range. So it adjusts very quickly to various lighting conditions, which we also see in their tunnel test that we've done with this unit. Now, the other things that it has is it will record at 60 frames per second at 2K resolution. It also has voice control. So if you're looking to actually yell out certain voice commands to the unit,
the video,
like lock a video, well, guess what? This dash camera can do that for you. It also has 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which means you can download videos 3 to 4 times quicker than other 2 gigahertz models. If you want to see our full review on this dash camera, we recommend looking up here, and you'll find out a lot more information on this small compact camera. The only downfall of this is a front-only dash camera that does not do front and rear. For front and rear, you will have to look at some of the other many 2K dash cameras available on the market. Best 1080p dash camera. We chose the Thinkware F790. The main reason why we chose this unit is for its parking mode functionality, and its low light performance. So this unit actually has high dynamic range. It also has 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which allows you to download videos 3 to 4 times quicker than a normal 2 gigahertz Wi-Fi dash camera via the smartphone app. It also has energy saving mode in parking mode. So the big thing about energy saving mode is it's only going to draw 18 milliamps. When you look at a lot of other dash cameras on the market, they're typically charging about 250 to 400 milliamps. And if you think about that, that's about 13 to like 25 times the amount of current that it's going to draw while parked, which means that if you're looking for an impact only dash camera where you're only worried about getting hit while parked, well, guess what? This one's going to solve a lot of those solutions. It's going to be a great solution, for you. It also has HEVC file recording. You might be wondering, what are these big words and what does it mean? It means it'll actually store 1.7 times the amount of normal recording storage. So if you have, let's call it a 32 gig card, and it normally records about 2 hours of record time, it will actually record about 3.4 hours of record time due to the HEVC file. So pop a 256 gig card in there and you're getting a whack load of hours. Now, this dash camera does very well against the majority of other 1080p dash cameras on the market. If you want to see our full 1080p dash cam comparison, where we actually compare a bunch of other competitors' products on the market, I would recommend watching right here, where you can watch our best 1080p dash cam comparison video. Anyways, best cloud features. Personally, for us, we would recommend using Blackvue. This is probably the only time we actually use Blackvue, is when we're actually have a customer looking for something where you can put a SIM card in it and they can actually look in, use GPS location, a lot of other different features. Now, we don't have this available on our website at all. This is more of like, if people are interested in it, it is something we will bring in order to actually take care of that client. But if you are looking for more information on it, we did make this great video here explaining how all the cloud features work on the Blackvue dash camera. Some new upcoming and exciting dash cameras. So first things first, the Viofo A139 Pro has been out for a short period of time now. And in my opinion, with playing with it in my own vehicle, it is hands down one of the best video quality dash cameras on the market during the day. Now, however, at night, there are a couple little challenges with high dynamic range that they need to sort out. And that's where kind of the A139 Pro is doing a better job than that dash camera currently. I do feel that they're going to get this dash camera dialed in. If you want to see my full review on it, take a look up here. It's very long, but it literally tells you every little thing about the A229 Pro. And hopefully there'll be updates with the new firmware that's actually going to correct some of the nighttime challenges that they currently have. However, it is a 4K Starvis 2 front, 2K Starvis 2 rear, and a 1080p Sony Starvis interior image sensor, provided you get the 3-channel dash camera. The other thing is the Viofo A229 Plus recently just launched, and that's another one we've been playing with in our vehicle. We haven't done a full review on it yet. Just been backlogged with lots of other videos and expansion into Toronto as well. So anyways, needless to say, that one is it's probably going to be a pretty promising dash camera as well. Hopefully we're going to have a full review out soon. I want to note a few other dash cameras. Now, we don't currently sell these dash cameras, but we've been playing with them on and off between a lot of our various reviews. And I got to say that the Vantrue N4 Pro and the actual Vantrue N5 seem like very notable dash cameras. And Vantrue has been asking us a lot to try and get us to carry these dash cameras. So if there are people that would like to comment with their feedback on whether or not they're happy with their N4 Pro or whether or not they're having issues with it, we would love to hear from you, because it's very hard for us to recommend a product when we're not installing in customers' vehicles every day and we're not hearing direct from our clients whether they're happy with the product or not happy with the product. So that's why our best dash cams 2023 has to do with the products that we sell, the products that we test. And don't get me wrong, there are some products that we test that just don't meet the cut and we're not interested in selling at all. The Vantrue N4 Pro and N5, straight up, Vantrue is really trying hard to get us to sell this, and we are interested, but we really want to hear from you if you have any feedback on it and you are watching our channel. We'd love to hear from you, and I know everybody wants me to review the N5. I've installed about 5 of them for customers now, but I've never gotten my hands on one. So hey, if there's someone who knows somebody who wants to get us a Vantrue N5 for us to test, we'd be happy to test it against other dash cameras that we sell. Anyways, needless to say, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see one of our best videos we have too, watch our ultimate 4K dash camera comparison, where we actually compare the 70mm A810, the Viofo A139 Pro, Vantrue N4 Pro, and the Thinkware U3000. That is a very long video, but if you want to know what is the best 4K dash camera out of those four, feel free to watch that. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you are looking to support us, we're open in Greater Vancouver and Greater Toronto area, and we'd be happy to help you out with dash camera installation. We also have plenty of products available on our website on safedrivesolutions.com. Anyways, cheers.